Don't waste the time, and let's fix this issue. In the first step, simply open services, click here to open it. Then on this window we need to find out the sysmain. So just scroll down and here you will get it. Simply right click on it, select properties, and make sure you have to disable that service. So select startup type as disable, then click on stop and click on apply and then OK. Again we need to find out the Windows search service on the same window. So again right click on it, select properties, and make sure this also set as disable. So disable it, click on apply and then OK. After that close this window. Once done, just open File Explorer by pressing Windows key plus E key together to open this window. Then just go to this PC, right click on C drive, open its properties, then local disk C properties, then select Tools tab and click on error checking. So click here to check it and click on scan drive. So this will take some time to complete the process, and then simply right click here, select task manager, then click on run new task, select browse button. We need to go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, and now we have to find out system32 folder. Just scroll down and double click on it to open it, then find out cmd.exe file. Here it is, it will look like this. Then select it, click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges, then click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands. So simply your drive was successfully scanned. Now close this windows and we need to execute this command. Simply type gp update, then hit enter to execute this command. Okay, this command is done. Now we have to execute the next command, sfc /scan now, and hit enter. So this command will take more time, around 15 to 20 minutes as per your system and your specifications. Now simply you have to complete this process. After that, tap exit and close this window. Then simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.